To add black bars to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, follow these steps. Create a new project or open an existing project in Premiere Pro. Import your video footage into the project by going to Filed, Import. Drag your video clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence. In the Effects panel, search for Crop using the search bar. Drag the crop effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Click on your video clip in the timeline to select it, then go to the Effect Controls panel. In the Effect Controls panel, you'll see the crop effect applied to your video clip. You'll have 4 parameters to adjust: top, bottom, left, and right. To create black bars at the top and bottom of your video, letterboxing, increase the top and bottom values. Start with 10% for both and adjust according to your desired look.